See, Indian Oil was incorporated as a company in 2001 in Mauritius. In fact, it is the wholly owned subsidiary of Indian Oil Corporation, the largest company in India. In fact, it was driven by the vision of both the governments of India and Mauritius, so that Indian Oil to be here, to be present in Mauritius as an oil marketing company. State-of-art facilities, dedicated team and quality has been our USPs. Indian Oil has automated terminal, which is one of its kind, which is also ISO certified. In addition to that, we are the only company in Mauritius which provides dedicated pipelines for receiving product from the tankers into its tanks. We have a laboratory, first of its kind, only of its kind in Mauritius. We are capable to supply the refinery grade of products to our customers, to our end users. There is a highly energetic and motivated young team in Indian Oil. In fact, they are highly passionate, well led by a dedicated team of professionals with the domain experts who have come from India. We have also provided a lot of innovations like non-space fuel pump or digital tire inflators. As far as aviation sector is concerned, Indian Oil has become the most preferred supplier of aviation fuel in Mauritius. We are also hugely present in bunker fuel of both fuel oil as well as marine gas oil. We are also significantly present in sectors like transport sector, in hotel sector and other large industries as well. Indian Oil is supported by Servo brand of world-class lubricants. It has almost 400 formulations marketed in over 30 countries in the world. Indian Oil is completely geared towards meeting the societal objectives. We have been supporting big causes. We have been also focused towards downtrodden and underprivileged, to be specific. Our support to places or to actions or to the causes like SOS Village, Global Rainbow Foundation or Club Maurice, as just a few of this. We are the only company in Mauritius which has one of its filling stations which is fully solar powered. So that shows our green initiatives and to make life sustainable in our island nation. Indian Oil has a vision to be in every heart and in every part. We also would like to be the most preferred supplier in this country. At the same time, we also would like to be the partner in growth for the island nation. And I'm sure we shall make it happen.